말이 많은데 정리가 잘 안 돼. 도와줘 SOS.
Hi guys, I just received this box and it's from YESSTYLE. I've ordered it last Friday and it came with DHL Express. I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know. I know what I've ordered, but I'm pretty excited to see how it looks like. So if you're interested to unbox this box with me, then just keep watching and I will use this tool to open it. Okay, so let's start with the first thing. I think that's a gift. So we have Nature Republic Aloe Vera Soothing Gel, which was recommended to me by a friend, and it's supposed to moisturize really well for everything, after shaving or for your face, or I don't know. I'm going to test this. Can it just focus? No, it can't. Oh yeah, it does. Sun and Park, the beauty water. Woohoo! I'm excited because I heard so many great things about this beauty water. So I'm excited to test it. Ooh, okay. The bottle is so clean. I don't know what you think, but it's a plastic bottle, so it's not glass or whatever, but you know, in the bathroom it won't look ugly or whatever. So, oh, I'm going to put it again in there. Ooh, pretty happy! So I've ordered skincare mostly because I've run out of skincare, and I was well, if you do need skincare, then just try to buy Korean skincare. Oh yeah, this is Mizzen Black Snail all-in-one cream. Well, yeah. So how does it look like? I was really excited about that, that product, because well, Black Snail, well, doesn't look creepy at all. Snail creams or whatever, they recommend it for anti-aging and what? And moisturizing benefits. Doesn't smell strong, which is nice. I like it. Does look whitey. This is from Etude House. This is makeup, guys. This is a primer, I think, with SPF 30 or something like that. SPF 33. Attention, pas se tromper. That was French. So let's see what it does. It's kind of rosy, but oh my god, what's that? That's insane. I don't know what's going on here. It's white. Why is it white? Okay, fine. But it does feel smooth though. Like it. Really do like it. Ooh, it does smell like a baby cream, which is kind of funny. Yeah, you know those things to wipe your yeah, well, you know, baby ass. Well. Then we have something that I've tried to open, but I just can't. I don't know why. I'm going to use my scissors. But it's called Pyongyang. It's a moisture ampoule, which I thought was good for my red skin, because I have red skin and very sensitive skin, because it's promising to, yeah, well, it doesn't say anything. Nice. The special moisture ampoule tightly sticks to your skin and effectively moisturizes your skin with its special texture. So we're going to see what the texture is. Oh, it looks like a pharmaceutical thing, like Fleur de Bar or something like that. I think it's cute. Okay, let's see. Oh, oh my god, that just felt sticky. It does feel sticky. Oh gosh. Okay. That's kind of weird. But I like the fact that it comes with a pipette. Don't know how to say that in English though, but I think pipette like a plump. So, no, it's not a plump. But once you put it on your hand, or your skin though, it moistures like crazy. That's so cool. Oh my god. I feel that's something that you will use in the evening before going to bed. And no, I don't want this one. Oh, then I bought this thing here, which is called the eyebrow razor. That looks insane. Like, hello. Hello. Oh my god, that's cool. Oh, the blade is sharp. Oh, and it does work like hell. I think I could like use it on my baby hairs, like on my face. Oh my god, I'm such a fan. It's so easy and cute, and it's out of plastic, and then you just have this razor blade, I guess, and like I think it works perfectly fine. So kind of excited. From what I've seen now, I just can tell that I love YESSTYLE. Like the prices are quite okay, and like shipping was free for me because I bought like things and from a certain amount it's free. I had some issues with DHL because like, well, I don't like it when they want you to be at home to get the parcel, because you're like, guys, I'm working, I cannot be at home at 10, you know, at 10 a.m. So, well, so I had to go to like the city center to get it, so it was pretty annoying, but despite of that, I'm quite happy with the customer service. That is a nutrition eye cream. I don't remember that I bought this, but yeah, well, I think I did like, I was like, yeah, eye cream, I need it. Collagen line provides elasticity. Oh, I think it's because of the collagen that I bought it, because like, you know, after 20, your skin doesn't like build collagen anymore, so that's why you're getting wrinkles. So I was like, okay, I need to have some collagen. So collagen, I don't know how to say that. So it's a random cream, well, I guess, but it's pretty big. Like the packaging is pretty big, so I think I would use this like for a year or 2 years maybe. That's a concealer from like at our house, and I was like, I didn't know what color I should buy, so yeah, I was like, just get. Oh my god, that's pretty fair. Oh gosh, oh gosh, I don't know. It's light vanilla PO3. I think that's going to be too light for me, but let's see. Does look fine though for a concealer. I'm going to see how it works on my skin, on my face skin, because, well, we never know. Maybe I'm going to be surprised, but like not my favorite for now. But I needed a concealer, so I bought one. Then I do have my first ink. I was looking forward to those products because I love gradient lips, so I was like, I absolutely need an ink. So this is Peri Pera in pretty orange pink. Well, I don't know about the color, but yo, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, that looks so nice. I love that. I love that. I have to try it now. It does change from the ink we have in Europe, because like it's so smooth. The end like result is not that good. Like, that is insane. Okay, I'm trying my best. Okay, I love that. Oh, the color is pretty nice. No. Gift! Nice. And then I have this thing, which, oh my god, I love to do that. I love to highlight my under eye. So, it's from, come on guys, that's the best thing. Yeah, that's from H&G House, like the eye drop liner or whatever in white, because they didn't have any other color, which freaked me out. Look at that. Oh my god. I really like that. Oh, it shines. It shines bright. Oh, it's going to make my under eyes so pretty. And then I have my 2 highlights. So I bought 2 because I'm going to give this one to my best friend and this one is for me. So this is the white lip tint. Oh gosh, like, you know, when you're in Switzerland and your friends, like, wine is a big thing here and it's part of the culture, so but like, that's so cool. I love that. So I bought the one for my friend in, I think it's red Shiraz, well, so Australian wine or South African wine, because she likes red. And for me, I bought the Sauternes Coral with French accent and wine lip tint Chateau Labiotte. That's a weird name when you pronounce it in the French. With the French accent, it's a weird name. So that's really a thing. Like, I was looking for that, and I'm going to open it and like freak out probably. Oh my god, that's so cool! Oh my god, that's so insane! Like, Koreans are just the best. So for the little story, I bought one for my friend because I did a challenge for her and she participated, and for me she won, so yeah. And it's a kind of thank you because she's the only one supporting me in my, like, she supports me supporting 17, which is my favorite K-pop group. She has to see so many things about 17 and she's not into K-pop, so I'm like, sometimes I'm a bit worried that, like, I'm freaking her out, so I'm getting her a wine lip tint. But it does look a bit like the other, like in the color, but this one is more like, more pink. The other one is more coral, more orange, if I can tell that way. But like, look at that! That's insane! I love that. Like, I could actually buy like every color because it's so neat and it's so cute and it's so appropriate, and you're just like getting this out and everything, and everyone is like, oh wow, where did you buy this? Is this like a little bottle of wine? No, that's a lip tint. That's my lipstick, guys, you know? And it will be like, oh, no way. But yeah, and I'm just going to give it like this, and I hope she's going to be happy. But I think she's going to be happy because it's so good. It's really good and it does feel nice on the lips. I'm finished with that unboxing, which was kind of messy. I'm very happy with what I've got, and I hope it's not going to make my skin freak out, but I don't think so. So I'm going to keep you updated if like some of the products are going to be my favorites or not. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm so thankful if you stayed until the end of the video, and don't hesitate to subscribe and like.